Sel roti is a traditional Nepali dish which is a donut type, circular, deep fried bread. It is sweet, crunchy, and golden brown in color. Now, in this video, you will see the process of making sel roti. First, rice are washed and soaked overnight, and the water is drained and it is ready for grinding. Soaked rice are grinded using mortar and pestle. You can use mixer or coffee grinder, but you will not get a good texture in sel roti. Aniseed are added. You can add other ingredients like ghee, cardamom powder, grated coconut, banana if you wish. Sugar is added. Wheat flour are also added and it is mixed properly. Cooking oil is added, but for a good taste, ghee is recommended and it is mixed properly by hand. Now it's time to add water. Water is carefully added so that the paste doesn't become very thin. Now the desired paste is ready and it is kept for almost 1 hour before it is used further. Cooking oil is heated in this type of frying pan using firewood. Baking powder is also added with the paste. Frying of sel roti has started and experienced hands are required to get a good circular shape of sel roti. You can also use funnel. A bamboo stick is used to turn over sel roti and it is fried until it becomes golden brown in color. Excess oil are drained by lifting the sel roti for some moments with bamboo stick above the pan, and it is kept on the newspaper so that the remaining oil is absorbed by newspaper. Now the crispy sweet sel roti are ready. You can have it as a snack with tea or coffee. You can enjoy along with yogurt and fried vegetables. Sel roti is popular in places like Nepal, Sikkim and Darjeeling. It is mostly made during festivals and events like wedding ceremonies.